Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we'll continue writing our simulation program in Python. In the last video we wrote the code to predict the bouncing of the ball from the left wall. We used Newton's third law and our simple collision model. Today we will write code in preparation of the algorithm that will model the bouncing from the ceiling. Currently, our ball starts at rest at the top of the ramp and does not reach the ceiling. I will just run the program to show. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add an initial momentum to the ball such that it will reach the ceiling. So to do that, we'll have to start with the initial velocity that will have to be in the direction of the ramp. So let's just set up the value of Rx and Ry above the lines where we are setting the value of Vx and Vy. So I'll just put it here. Okay, so just for testing, let's change these values a little bit. So let's say 0.3 for Rx, 0.6 for Ry. I will run it again. Now, Vx and Vy, I will set it up such that it will be, let's say, 100 times Rx and 100 times negative Ry, because Vy has to go downward, so negative 100 times Ry. I will save this file and let's see if it reaches the ceiling now. So we are drawing the walls, the ball, the ramp. The ball comes with the push, bounces from the floor, bounces from the right wall and goes on top of the ceiling. It goes through the ceiling. In the next video we'll implement the algorithm to bounce from the ceiling as well. This ends the preparation for the algorithm to predict ceiling bouncing. In the next video I will add code to compute bouncing from the ceiling. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.